Welcome to this video, where we'll explore one of the most powerful techniques in data processing, how to process multiple files simultaneously. Whether you're working with large datasets, handling user uploads, or dealing with vast amounts of data from various sources, being able to process multiple files at once can significantly improve efficiency and productivity. In today's digital age, managing and processing data is crucial for any organization or individual dealing with data analysis, web development, machine learning, or simply managing personal files. However, handling each file individually can be time-consuming and inefficient. That's where the concept of simultaneous processing comes into play. This video aims to guide you through understanding why processing multiple files simultaneously is beneficial, how it works in theory, and a step-by-step explanation of the general process involved without diving into specific programming languages or technical detail. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp on how to approach multi-file processing, no matter what your project entails. To begin with, let's consider why simultaneous file processing is important. Imagine working on a project that requires you to apply certain transformations or analyses to hundreds or even thousands of files. Doing this one file at a time would not only be laborious, but also impractical in terms of time and resources. The process of handling multiple files at once involves several key steps. 1. Batching. This is the initial step where you gather all your files together, either by manually selecting them or through an automated process that identifies and collects relevant files based on certain criteria. 2. Pre-processing. Before diving into actual processing, it's often beneficial to perform some form of pre-processing. This can include cleaning data, converting file formats to a uniform type for easier handling, or removing unnecessary files from the batch. 3. Parallel processing. The core step, where multiple files are processed simultaneously. This is typically achieved using multi-threading or parallel computing techniques that leverage the capabilities of modern CPUs and cloud services. Each thread or process handles a portion of the files, ensuring that all files are being worked on at the same time. 4. Post-processing. After processing, you might need to perform additional steps, such as combining process data from multiple files into one output file, applying further transformations, or uploading the results to a server or cloud storage. 5. Monitoring and feedback. Lastly, it's crucial to monitor the process for any errors, handle exceptions gracefully, and provide feedback mechanisms to ensure that if something goes wrong, you can quickly identify and address the issue. To better understand this, consider an analogy. Imagine baking cookies in large quantities. Instead of putting one tray in the oven at a time, you put multiple trays in simultaneously, thereby significantly reducing your overall cooking time. However, just like how each cookie needs to be monitored for the right doneness and adjustments made accordingly, processing files requires careful planning, execution, and monitoring. To summarize, simultaneous file processing is about increasing efficiency by handling multiple tasks at once. The key aspects include gathering files into batches, pre-processing steps like cleaning data or converting formats, parallel processing using multi-threading or parallel computing, post-processing to finalize the output, monitoring for errors, and providing feedback. Being able to process multiple files simultaneously is a powerful technique that can greatly benefit anyone working with large datasets or needing to automate file handling tasks. By understanding these steps and applying them to your specific needs, you can significantly reduce processing times and improve overall productivity. If you have any questions about simultaneous file processing or would like to share how you've applied this in your own projects, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if it's been helpful, and consider subscribing for more content on improving efficiency and productivity in data handling and processing. Thank you for watching.